In this video, I'll show you how to view and reopen recently closed websites in Safari on your Mac. This is useful if you accidentally closed a tab or website and want to bring it back quickly. To get started, open Safari on your Mac. Now, go to the top menu bar and click on History. From the drop-down menu, look for Recently Closed. Hover over Recently Closed, and you should see a list of websites or tabs you closed recently. To reopen one of them, simply click on the website you want to restore. Safari will open that website again in a new tab or window. Another quick way to reopen the last closed tab is by using your keyboard. Press Command plus Shift plus T, and Safari will bring back the most recently closed tab. You can press the shortcut again if you want to reopen more closed tabs one by one. You can also click History at the top and choose Reopen Last Closed Tab if you only want to bring back the last page you closed. And that's it. You now know how to view and reopen recently closed websites in Safari. This can save you time when you accidentally close an important tab or want to return to a page you were just viewing.